So today I'll be walking you on how to install Anydesk, a seamless remote desktop application. So first, let's go just search Anydesk, download on your search bar. So we're going to make use of the first link, the remote desktop software for Windows. Since we are downloading for Windows, we have for Mac, Android, iOS, and other platforms. But since we are downloading for Windows, we are going to select Windows and click on the download. When the download is completed, you can just open the file folder. That's the file explorer for Windows. You can see the application in your download folder, sometimes in the programs, then it will be there. So you double click on it. You're going to see the install Anydesk. Install Anydesk by clicking on the install Anydesk. Then you're going to see create a start menu shortcut, create a desktop icon, install Anydesk printer. So we are not needing the Anydesk printer, so let's remove that. Then all the other automatic update option, then we just accept and install. They just leave that. So the application is now installed. Let's go to new session. So this new session, this is where we see your address, your system address, and the way you can enter a remote address if you want to access another PC with their own remote Anydesk address.